Hey y'all, this is Brandy from Southern Crafts DIY, and I want to say hey to all my returning viewers and welcome any new viewers. So if you follow me on social media, which the links are down below, you'll have seen a list of everything needed for today's project. And this is something I have not tried before, but I'm really excited to do. We're going to make a Valentine's Day card. And we're going to go ahead and jump in, and I'm going to tell you everything needed. Show you everything needed. Alright, so first thing you're going to need is you're going to need some insert cards for the Cricut Joy. Well, I'm using the Cricut Joy, so this is going to go off of the Cricut Joy. So you're going to need some insert cards for the Cricut Joy, and you're going to need a Cricut Joy. So those are the first two things. And then you're going to need a card mat. So that is the next thing that is needed for this project. And then you're going to need a design. I pulled up the app on my phone and I found this really cute Valentine's Day design, and that's what we're going to go with. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're going to take the card mat and we're going to pull the plastic off and set it aside. And these came with my Cricut Joy. This was a bundle pack I got. So these are the colors I have. I have a brown card, and then one of the inserts was pink, which would be perfect for Valentine's Day. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the card in here, and we're going to go all the way over to the top and just stick it on there. And like I said, I already picked out the card I want to use. I think it's really cute. So that is the next step. Give me 1 second. Alright, so I had to purchase that card, but that's fine. It was only $1 plus tax. So now I'm going to connect my phone to the Joy. And hold on a second. Let me check the material. I'm going to do insert card, cardstock. And then I'm going to put the cardstock into the Cricut. As you can hear. And now I am going to press go. And we'll see how this goes. I've never done this before. So this is a first for me. I'm really interested in how this goes on. And of course, if you do not have a Cricut Joy or Cricut in the cardstock, you can always hand make cards for Valentine's Day. Hold on a second, y'all. Give me a second. Alright, I unloaded it, and now that it's finished, we're going to move on and see what it looks like. Fingers crossed. Ooh, that did not want to come off. So there it is. And then you just take this little piece and you stick it in the holes on the corners. Oh, it looks like I have to cut it a little bit. Sometimes that happens. We're just going to trim it. Always be prepared for when stuff like this happens. Let's see if that was enough. It's still a little much, so I'm going to have to trim it a little bit more. It's not a huge deal. We're just doing what we got to do to get it right. This is, like I said, this is my first time trying this. So, you know, it's all about trial and error. You know? Because you never know how it's going to come out. Well, if I can get it in there. Now all of a sudden I can't get it in there, y'all. Wow. It's like I'm inept. Okay, I know what the problem is. I'm trimming the wrong side. Y'all, I feel stupid. Alright. And if I got it too small, I can always get another one. I'm not that concerned about it, because I can still use this for something else. So there it is. So yeah, I'm going to get another one and trim the side so that it's right. It looks better. So let me go ahead and do that. But let me take this stuff off first. And just to let you know, you could take these and use them for other stuff. You don't tear them up when you take them off. So always remember, you can use this for other projects. If I can get it off, which all of a sudden it doesn't want to come off. So seeing how this was balloons, you can do the same thing. You can take this and recreate the pattern with just the cutouts, and then just draw the sticks on there, the string. That's what it's called. So let me put this up. Alright, so let me get another pink one. They also have like a lilac color in here, but I want it pink for Valentine's Day. And I'm just gonna cut the side. Now obviously I'm gonna have to do more research on how to do this so that it's right the first try, but despite all that, I might still have to cut it a little. No, I don't know what to tell y'all. It just does not want to work for me. Yeah, so I'm still going to have to cut it that way, but I cut too much off the top. It's not exactly straight. Apparently I forgot how to cut straight. Not even gonna lie. Alright, so there you go. Look how cute that is. That is absolutely cute. They're supposed to make hearts, but obviously I'm not that good at it, but it still kind of looks like a heart. So that is so cute, and then you can just open it up and write whatever you want in there or put something in there. Simple, easy to make card for Valentine's Day for a loved one. Alright, so give me a second. So as you can see, my first attempt was a failure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix it, hopefully. I'm just going to make the card smaller. I don't know why I did it like that when I could have just cut. Oh, I like to do things difficultly. Y'all, I don't know about me sometimes. I'm going to consider this like a mini card. Give me a second, because this is not straight and it's going to bug the bejeebus out of me if I don't straighten it out and cut it right. So it's just going to be a little mini card. So don't ever feel like if you mess up, you can't redeem it. So there's a little mini card. Still a little crooked. I don't know, y'all. It's like I can't seem to make anything straight. There. Let's see if that's right. I said it before and I'll probably continue to say it. I am not one for straight lines. Alright, so that's good enough. So I fixed that. So a way to fix the mess up I made was I'm just going to glue this in here. So let me see where I need to glue it at. See where I need to fix it at. So maybe right here. And right here. Yeah, that should be fine. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take this has a our ruler and try to get these straight. And I'm just showing you a way so that if you do mess it up, you can still have a decent looking card. Or if you just keep messing up like I do, you can rig it any way you want. So that should fit. Oh, I feel stupid because I didn't do the, y'all, I'm sorry. I forgot about the top and bottom. Alright, so let's try this again. So that it's actually cut to fit inside of this. So there you have it. Look at that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take some glue. If it comes out of this, y'all, I don't even know. Give me a second, let me find some glue. Alright, so what I'm going to take is I'm going to take my white glue because I do want to use it. And I'm going to take a paintbrush and I'm just going to paint around this stuff. Just to give it something to stick on. Now, that being said, I might have to go back in and do more, but I just want to get it in on there. So, as you can see, I am going to have to add more glue. And you can glue it however you want. I just decided to use Elmer's glue because I had it. And I don't use it a lot. I use it for my glitter and stuff, really. That's what I use my Elmer's glue for. So, there we go. You know what? I forgot I had roll-on glue. I could have used that. But, you know, use whatever glue you want to use. But there you go. And look at that, it still works. I might have to trim that a little bit. It still works, it's really cute. Again, you can still write in there. And then you have two cards that are really cute for Valentine's Day. Look at that. Alright, y'all, so that's it for this project. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And if y'all did, please, please, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below because it does help my channel grow. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!